God, that's huge.
Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to day 2. It is well, technically it's, I don't know, it's kind of day 1. This is last night was my first night sleeping up here, and I just woke up like an hour ago, and I'm gonna head out. Probably I'm gonna head north probably about 10 minutes with my buddies. I'm gonna throw a few casts, throw the drone up, get some dope shots, see what's going on over there. The smallies are biting up here. Oh wait, am I in focus? Probably not. There we go. So I'm gonna head out right now. I'm gonna show you guys what exactly I'm gonna be bringing along. So I got my Shimano Corrado right here. I got my spinning setup right here. I'm gonna be throwing probably an Ed rig on this. I got a tube set up right on this right now. And then I got my camera bag, got my GoPro, batteries. Well, that's actually the camera for the drone, which is in this big old tanker right here. And then what else is in here? Camera batteries, USB charger, whatever. That's kind of besides the point. But yeah, so I'm gonna head up right now. I'm gonna hop in the car. I'm waiting for my buddies to get out of the shower. Stick with us, stay tuned. Should be a pretty good episode. All these episodes are gonna be absolute bangers. If I don't catch fish, or if it's not good, I'm not gonna post it. So stick with us, stay tuned. It's gonna be a really fun day. Let's go crank them. Alrighty, fellas, I'm at a new spot here. I'm up in Ephraim now, which is like, I believe 15 to 20 minutes south of Sister Bay where I'm staying. So, I mean, it's not that much of a hike, but it's a little bit, you know what I mean? It's time, folks. I see a monster smallie on a bed. I mean, it's not monster, but it's a good smallie. Alright, I'm gonna try a tube. Gonna try a tube. It's gonna happen, folks. We got him. This is not the right one. This guy charged from this side. He wasn't where I was fishing. So I don't think this is the same fish. So I'm gonna keep him in the water here. But I'm not gonna let him go quite. Actually, I'll let him go. I'll see if he goes right back down there. Because I was fishing for a different fish that was a little bigger than that. It was still sick either way. Told you it was gonna happen. Told you it was gonna happen. No, that guy is so much bigger. There's one that's like 4 pounds though. Put this baby away for a hot second, bring it back out in a little bit. I think I'm definitely going to stick with the tube and the Ned rig though, because I haven't caught too many fish on a jerkbait around here. So where's the smallie? I already caught the male. Like that.
It paid off, didn't it?
Yeah. I knew there was 2 of them down there. Oh, this is a different one. Yeah, he's got a little boo-boo right there or something. We can leave now.
You don't even take a picture anymore. So like, oh, got one, another one.
I feel good. I feel good. Oh, my car's right here, by the way. Alrighty guys, well, bad news. My car just died. You guys can see here, my brake is a rock. It's completely seized. Steering wheel won't twist. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what needs. Oh, my trunk is about to fall here. I'm going to set you guys up. Let me just put y'all right here. Okay, so, that ain't gonna work. Okay, the issue, and I know I've had this issue for a while. I always keep jumper cables in my car, right here. I always keep them because my battery. Let me show you guys. This is what a battery that don't work looks like. See that? It's freaking corroded and yeah, not good. I had a tool to scrape it out and I had no idea what I did with that. Now hold on. Got it. Okay. So basically, I know I've needed a new battery for a while and I've kind of been holding it off. When I get home from my trip now, definitely getting a new battery because it ain't working. And good thing this happened when I got home. As soon as I turned my car off, I could tell because my battery went dead. Like I have push start, so I pushed the button and you could tell the battery went off before my before like the engine turned off. So I told my buddy, I'm like, I guarantee my battery just died, and I couldn't start it up again. My battery my brake seized, and come over here and just caked in some blue corrosion. It happens all the freaking time, and you know what sucks is I have nobody to jump this with me. So this sucks. But if you guys ever start to see your battery corrode, get a new one. Otherwise you gotta deal with this. I'm getting a new one as soon as I get home. Alright, well I'll catch you guys as soon as I don't know, get somebody to help jump me or something. I don't know. Alrighty y'all, we figured it out. Well, buddy over here figured it out.
We almost set the car on fire, but we're good now.
Yeah, come check this out. So thankfully, freaking, wow, it looked terrible.
Yeah, don't trip over the cord, my dude.
We're good. They had this charging doohickey thingy, which is like a, I don't even know, but it's connected there right now. I almost blew it up because I put the freaking positive on the.
It's done charging. So here.
Oh, dope! My car might start.
Diodes. You do this.
Now take it off?
Yes. Now you can.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Touch the rubber.
One.
Set it down. You're good.
Dose. These aren't gonna blow up, right?
Nope. There's no current going through this.
Sick. Okay, now I can turn it on. Or at least try to.
Yes. I'm gonna stay away from it though.
That would be a negative, folks. Nope. She's deader than a doornail. You think I might have did that when I tripped over it?
No. How do you turn it on? Button?
Press the brake, touch the button. The brake's still seized, bro.
Is your emergency brake on?
No.
This is your emergency brake, right?
Mm-hmm.
If your fluid is like has an electrical actuator, an actuator is something that just moves other shit, right?
Something like that.
That's what an actuator is. So if when your battery died, it was engaged and then it just died and went into like a safety lockout or something, it could be stuck like on the brake, and that's why you don't have power steering or power braking, is because it's either a safety mechanism that as soon as your battery died, it locked your wheels and locked your steering, so you wouldn't like have a dead battery and just start rolling down the hill. I might have tripped over and that might have something up, but
I always f things up. Let's see if we can blow it up again, eh?
hold these apart. Don't hold these together.
Dang-a-lang-a-lang. I hate cars.
Make sure they don't touch, my dude.
Ooh, yeah. For sure, for sure.
I think Tony tripped over something and something up.
You want to lift that shit up and put it up here again?
Not leave a metal camera, partially metal.
Here, I'm gonna take this. Chris is gonna hold this for now. Chris, hold this.
You drop that, I kill you.
He's gonna lift your ass off.
You can twist that screen back so you know what you're recording.
Ground first.
Is it all recording? Is it recording
Yeah,
right
it's
now?
recording right now.
So
Okay,
ground on right side first.
Wait, we this up.
Ground is this one.
Yeah.
Now it says charging. You tripped over it and you f***ed it up. That's why.
Beautiful.
Now, just stay out here and just watch it, my dude. Because I don't know how many milliamp hours your thing has, but if it gives 1.5 amps consistent, now it says charged.
Well, what in the
Fucking-
titties?
Let it stay on that for like another 5 minutes. Maybe the sensor inside of here, like the current sensor, is up.
Dope. Sounds good.
If push comes to shove, we are gonna jump it, and if we can't jump it, then we're stuck here.
Dope.
Because I'm not a mechanic, my dude. I'm not smart enough to fix cars.
This happens
you don't
literally
have-
all the time. I hate this.
You can attach it to literally any,
Car,
like the black you can attach to any piece of metal, but if you attach the red to any piece of metal, he would have probably
This happened when I was fishing in Port, and the dude, I don't know, I gave him my jumper cable, and he put one here and he put one on there, and it started by itself or some I don't know. It's kind of cool. But it won't start now. Alrighty folks, we're full sending it. If this don't work, I'm waiting for a jump from a real car, and my brake still seized. Wow, sick. I don't like that noise. Can y'all hear that? Hopefully this thing don't blow up. That cannot be good. Can you guys hear that? I'll put the mic by it. Let me tell Matt to get back out here. He knows what he's doing. I don't. I fish, I don't fix cars.
I'm going out there.
Okay. He thinks I'm gonna blow this sucker up. And I probably am. This is sick. I'm gonna leave you guys right there.
Why are you opening up stuff?
I'm getting this shit out.
Is it still making the clicking noise?
Yeah.
Is it on? Or is it off?
The car?
Yeah.
Off? It doesn't go on.
Okay.
Alright, well there's actually two spots I wanted to try. One is where I was fishing out here yesterday. And one is more north on some rocks. Literally the water's over the freaking dock. What in the hell? I wanna go swimming, folks. Jeez Louise. I mean, look at it. There's like 4-foot waves out here. And I can't even fish any of this. Look at this. Looks like the freaking ocean out here. And I'm like yelling at the mic right now because it's very windy. Should I even go out on those rocks? No, I'm gonna get murked out there. Shoot. Damn, what is that? Is that a walleye? I mean, it's dead, whatever it is, but what is this thing? Gotta see the face. Oh, it's a brown trout. Look at that. That sucks. That's a nice brown, dude. You guys see that? Right there. It's freaking dead. Bummer. That would be a cool catch. It's a nice fish too. I wonder how it died. Looks like it got slit in the throat because its air bladder's like out. Which kind of sucks. It's okay, we're not after trout today. Trout would be dope though. Not gonna lie to you. There's one. Oh my god, that's huge. Holy sh**. That's a rock bass? Holy sh**. Was I recording? Oh, sick. Are y'all kidding me? I gotta put this on the story. Alright, I'm gonna get the release for y'all. I'm not gonna get off the big camera. If this was a smallie, I would get one out, but I'm just gonna get the release. There he goes. Basically all I'm doing here, I'm not gonna say I know what I'm doing quite yet. Just throwing a tube, and basically what I'm doing is I'm tossing it along this, pretty much all these docks, just like that. And I let it sink all the way down to the bottom. And it's pretty slow sinking too. It kind of goes around in circles on the way down, so you kind of got to wait a little bit. But once it hits the bottom, I'm just twitching it like this. Like that's all it's doing on the bottom. It's just twitching up and down. And that guy hit it probably around right here, I think. And I can't see anything, guys. It's like probably 12 feet deep here, so just kind of letting her sink all the way down to the bottom. And you know it's at the bottom when your line goes slack like that. See how it's all coiled at the end? Now it's straight. So just want to twitch it. Just kind of working all these docks.
Catch 'em all.